Hola mis amores, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a unboxing video with Curlkit for the month of October. And tell me not, these earrings are so cute. They definitely go with the season, and it is actually in my online shop. I'll go ahead and list it down below. I am launching the website November the 7th, but anyways, that's another video. I am gonna go ahead and do an unboxing video here with Curlkit. The month of September I didn't do a unboxing because I live in Virginia. I'm sure you guys heard that we had to evacuate. I live by the beach, so we had a lot of hurricanes on this side during hurricane season, so I literally was a mess the month of September, but the box was bomb, and I did post a picture on it on Instagram, so you guys had a little feel about what I actually did get. I love the products, literally love Curlkit. So if you guys didn't know, Curlkit is a subscription for curly heads, and basically what they do is send you full-size bottles, and they send you sample bottles so you can try products out that are specific for curly hair. And literally, like I always say in all of my videos, this box has saved me so much money and so much time. I always say that if I would have known this box existed when I was going through my curly hair journey, I would have saved so much money. Y'all have no idea how much money I have spent trying out products. And not only that, what I really love about them is it's only $25 a month, $20, and then I think it's like $5 shipping. But I love that they send also things that sometimes aren't related to hair. I mean, like, if y'all want to give me some makeup and y'all want to give me some stuff, I'm not gonna say no. I'm not gonna fight. Okay, so they like mix it up. Sometimes they do curly stuff, sometimes they do curly stuff with a little bit of makeup, a little bit of some stuff. So I'm always down for that. I really love this Curlkit. I do have a 10% coupon down below. If you guys want to go ahead and use it, you save 10% on your first order, because I got you. Okay, I got you. So this is the box. Sometimes in some of the months, literally the box doesn't even close. Like, it's just so much. There's just sometimes so much product in there. Okay, so they always have like a little magazine that comes with the Curlkit, and what I really like about these is that not only do they have really good tips for people that have curly hair, it always supports like local Instagrammers. It supports, you know, people that care for the company or are just curly hair gurus, oh my gosh, that are curly hair gurus. And they do give tips that even me as a curly hair, I say guru, you know, they do teach me things, and I just love the magazine. Okay, let me like chill out. So first things first, the first thing that I just saw was this pink shea butter coconut. Oh my god, this leave-in. I feel like a few months ago they sent me this same one. They sent like a few packages of this, and literally, like, hold up, this is so bad. This wasn't even planned, but hold on. So this is like, oh my god, this is so embarrassing. So basically, I went to Washington DC over the weekend, and I just grabbed some stuff that I needed to take. So this was like my this was my product bag. A little crazy because it's, but look at that, it's the same one, and I'm literally like, I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm running out. So they just restocked me and I didn't even ask. So yes. Okay, this is something else they sent me like a few months ago. I'm basically literally like done. RIP. I don't use Cantu anymore. I only use now the cream of nature coconut milk. That's it. Ugh. Ooh, girl. Ooh. Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Hydrating Facial Wipes. Normal to dry. Removes makeup and dirt without rinsing or drying. This is... This is awesome. Okay, perfect. And look, it matches me, so that's cute. Unplanned but cute. Jamaican black castor oil pure butter. I have never heard of castor oil being butter, but this packaging is really good. Like, it's kind of heavy, so might be expensive, definitely for it. It says here ingredients: castor oil, Sunny Isle, Jamaican Box castor oil is now pure butter. This brand, oh my, okay. It's the first ever to convert Jamaican black castor oil into pure butter. Yeah, girl, because I was like, I have never heard of castor oil being butter until right now. It's pretty cool. Oh, this looks really good. I'm really excited to try this, and I really like that it's cruelty free. And then lastly, another Sunny Isle Jamaican black castor oil. Don't forget to subscribe.